People's Organization has called an indefinite ban along the National Highway 2, condemning the failure of the Manipur government to nab the culprits involved in the Makhan arson attack that took place on September 17. A 5-day training program on entrepreneurship and skills development program on production of essential oils in fields and its marketing kicked off today at Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Technology Centre, Imphal, Food Park, Nilakuthi, Imphal East. As a part of the Hijam Irabot month observance, the Jananeta Irabat Memorial Trust Jiribam, led by lifetime President Dr. Chandam Kamal Singh, interacted with the students of Jiribam Higher Secondary School, Babupara, recounting the life and work of pioneer Irabot. Manipur State Museum celebrated its 50th Foundation Day and valedictory function of Cultural Appreciation course at the complex of Manipur State Museum, Imphal today. The program was organized by Manipur State Development of Art and Culture, Government of Manipur. Chief Minister N. Biren has attended the Ayushman Bharat Divas in the auditorium of Jennings this morning. Ayushman Bharat is the pilot project of Ayushman Bharat National Health Protection Mission. It was launched on September 25th last year on the birth anniversary of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay. Consumer Affairs Minister KARAM SHYAM has launched E-THABAK in Manipur Press Club today. E-THABAK is Manipur's largest online job searching Android app. SUNITA DEVI has been selected for RAJKUMAR BUDHIMANTA SINGH Memorial Award 2019. Sunita is the daughter of well-known Nritya Guru Thiam Tarun Kumar Singh. The award will be presented to her by Chief Minister of Tripura Biplab Kumar Dev during the Platinum Jubilee celebration of Manipuri dance celebration. Lions Club of THAOUBAL provided eatable items to the HEIKAKPOKPI Blind School under the theme Relieving Hunger as a part of their permanent project. Troops of Indian Army participated in Siliguri Marathon Run organized by a social organization for Nasha Mukti. The first 3 prizes in the Armed Forces category were won by Hav Sankar Man Thapa, N.K. Inder Pal Magar and L. Arvind. Indian Navy Chief Admiral Karambir Singh called on Bangladesh Chief of Army Staff General Aziz Ahmed at Army Headquarters in Dhaka Cantonment. During the meeting, they discussed issues of bilateral interest. Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached New York last night to participate in the 74th session of the UN General Assembly after delivering an electrifying address in Houston to over 50,000 members of the Indian diaspora at a mega community event, also addressed by President Donald Trump. In a fierce defense of the government's action in Jammu and Kashmir, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said those criticizing the decision to revoke Article 370 of the Constitution were promoting terrorism.